Good afternoon. We are the team 2 and we are going to talk about the 4Ds of the robotics. My name is Juana Torre Jaramillo and I'm going to introduce you to the presentation. First of all, the objective of this presentation is to identify how robotics helps take on tasks that are monotonous, dirty, dangerous, or costly for humans, and how this impacts efficiency, workplace safety, and technological development. Additionally, the presentation seeks to promote a critical and informed perspective on the benefits and ethical challenge involved in the implementation of robots across various sectors, encouraging a responsible and human-centered use of technology. Well, introducing you in the era of automation and artificial intelligence, robotics has profoundly transformed the way we produce, we live, and we work. One of the key concepts for understanding this impact on the industry and society is the 4Ds in robotic: dual, dirty, dangerous, and dear. These four words describe the type of tasks that are traditionally unappealing, risky, or costly for humans and are therefore ideal for a robot to perform. By delegating this function to machines, the goal is not only to increase efficiency and productivity, but also to enhance safety and human well being. Understanding the 4Ds helps us to appreciate the true purpose of robotics, that is, to complement humans' capabilities and free people to engage in more creative, safe, and meaningful work.
Hello, my name is Luis Angel and I'm going to explain dual and dirty. Dual refers to repetitive and monotonous tasks that can cause fatigue or demotivation in workers. These tasks are often ideal candidates for automation as automated systems can perform them efficiently and without human error. We automate dual tasks increasing productivity. Machines can operate uninterruptedly, reducing wait times and improving efficiency, error reduction. By eliminating human intervention in repetitive tasks, error due to fatigue or distraction and minimized. Improved workplace safety. Workers can focus on more strategic and less tedious tasks, reducing the risk of accidents. Cost optimization. Costs associated with monitoring and correcting error in manual process are reduced. And dirty. Dirty tasks refer to tasks that involve exposure to contaminants, unsanitary conditions, or process that generate excess waste. Automation of this take helps improve safety and efficiency in industrial environments. While automated dirty tasks, worker protection reduces exposure to toxic substances, dust, smoke, and other pollutants, complies with environment regulation, minimizes environmental impact by better controlling waste and emissions, greater efficiency in hazardous processes. Machines can operate in extreme conditions without affecting their performance. Reduction in cleaning and maintenance costs reduces the need for human inversion in contaminated areas. And while it will be all from me, thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Tomas Gabriel, and now I will talk to you about the Series D dangerous. The stakes carry risk of injuries, accident, or exposed to hazard like high temperatures, radiation, sharp objects, heavy metal, or toxic substance. Automatic with robots projects workings from this danger. Continue. And now I will talk to you about the 4D. There, the stakes, even if no interfering, the energy or dirty, are very costly for company if performed manually. We did due to the time they consuming, the need for special labor, or the errors they may generate.
I'm José Contrejón Contreras, and I'm going to talk about the impact of the 4Ds on industry and society. In countries with greater investment in research and industrial sectors, such as China, Japan, the United States, Korea, and Germany, robotics has increased their competitiveness in the global market for mass-produced products, reducing costs, streamlining product lines, minimizing the presence of personnel in dangerous operations, and maintaining consistent product quality. Therefore, robots manufacture products such as cars, washing machines, refrigerators, televisions, and more are already being used in everyday life. The 4Ds of robotics are profoundly changed society. However, they also force us to redefine social, educational, legal, and ethical frameworks. The key is to use robotics for the common good, ensuring equity, universal access, and social responsibility.
Hello, my name is Elena Castillo, and now that we understood what the 40s represent, I'm going to show you the real world companies that have been implementing this framework successfully. Starting with tool operations, Amazon has become a pioneer in warehouse automation. They've deployed thousands of robots that are continuously working on repetitive tasks like packing, sorting, and moving products. For dirty environments, Boston Dynamics has developed robots that can operate in contaminated spaces. Voila, a company that specializes in waste management, deploys robots in areas with chemical waste and industrial cleaning. Moving to dangerous situations, we see Boston Dynamics and Anybotics creating robots for high-risk environments. And also Sarcos Robotics focuses on applications where human safety might be compromised. Another honorable mention is NASA, which has been using robots extensively for space exploration and missions in environments with extreme conditions that humans simply cannot survive. Finally, their processes involve companies like Tesla and BMW, which have revolutionized automotive manufacturing, and they use robots for high precision automation because even small errors could result in big financial losses. These companies represent different industries, but they all share a common understanding that robotics should be applied strategically. In conclusion, the 4Ds framework isn't just theoretical, and it has been proven by these industry leaders. This approach doesn't replace humans, but rather frees them from routine or high risk functions, allowing them to focus on more creative and meaningful work. So that's a wrap for our presentation. Thank you so much for your attention, and we'll see you next time.